inside an artist's head. The artist.
Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm an artist. I'm a teacher, I'm a designer, I'm an illustrator and a children's book maker and a creator of Zebra, a children's character for curious creatures like you.
Colour and collecting. I love colour. Everything I draw, paint and make is inspired by colour. I love collecting things too, lots of things. It's funny what you find, from silly plastic toys to plastics washed up on the beach to anything thrown away. I collect fruit and vegetable cardboard boxes and packaging and labels because I love the colours. It's funny seeing something new in something ordinary. I collect in series because I like to create collections in themes and make compositions with them in frames, on my shelves or on the wall. I collect driftwood washed up in summer and make sea creatures and seascapes. I make with whatever I find, wherever I travel and live. I found my first plastics washed up on a beach in Bali in 1993, 30 years ago. Why was it in the sea? And where did it come from? This started me thinking. I made collages, my way of exploring this new scruffy material. These were my very first plastic sea trash artworks. Years later, after moving from a city to a sea, Amsterdam to West Coast Scotland, I found masses of plastic trash thrown up by the storms. It was shocking. I started collecting by colours, making it a game for our village beach cleans. The project developed into Plastic Sea, making to inspire kids like you to be aware, to make this world issue on my doorstep hard to ignore. Plastic Sea.
Plastic Sea is my 12-year project, Creative Beach Clean, creating with plastic sea trash to say no to a plastic sea. All my own creations using plastics that I found on a beach when I moved from a city to a sea. This book, Plastic Fish, is a creative beach clean document made by kids and me to say no to plastic sea, to shout about plastic in our water. As well as making books, I printed plastic sea trash images onto material to make scarves and sarongs to take on the beach. This is bottle tops.
How to begin. So, how do I begin? First, I wash my plastic beach finds and dry them on newspaper on the floor. It can get wet. Then I sort my now clean plastic trash treasure into shapes, types and colours and store them into clearly labelled boxes, bottles, strings, bags, bottle tops, odd bits and so on. Sorting helps to get your eye in, to decode this abstract, scruffy stuff. It's also good to be organised when you collect so much stuff like me, so that any creative moment I want to make, I can pull out the relevant boxes. Blue plastic for seas, bottles for fish, bottle tops for eyes or insects, and so on. How do you get an idea? Where does an idea come from? I often tip a box all over the floor or table or everywhere and sort the chaos into colour compositions for inspiration. You just never know what you will see, what bit falls next to another to give you an idea. You have to just let your imagination go free. I let the material lead me. You really have to play and see what happens. There are no rules to making a plastic fish. No right or wrong ways, only your way. I choose bottle shapes and colour combinations first. Then I simply experiment, trying lots of different ways of making eyes, fins, tails, mouths, before I finally glue gun my fish together. There are so many possibilities when you get going, it gets funny. Sometimes I just can't stop making. Join in! An artist is always collecting a visual language from anywhere, any source, any medium, collecting ways of looking, inspiration, seeing, not thinking, letting rules and expectations go, and imagination free. So, feeling inspired to create something? Why not put a plastic beach find anywhere on a piece of paper? What could it be? What do you see? An insect? A bird? An octopus or jellyfish? A pirate? A shark? A boat sailing on the ocean in sunshine? It's funny what you can see when you play. You can be creative wherever you are, inside and outside. You can draw in the park, on the sand, on a beach, on holiday. All you need is a stick, a feather, a stone, or your fingers. See what happens when you transform something ordinary into something new. Bottle tops into bugs, plastic bottles into wings for flies, crushed water bottles into grasshoppers. As you know, I always make in a series. This makes it easier not to feel overwhelmed or stop the creative flow with worrying about the one perfect thing. You can then see what works and make a selection. Why not make an exhibition of your artworks to inspire and show your friends? You can create a display anywhere, outside, on a tree, by a river, on boxes, on rubbish bins. Have fun with your plastic sea trash. Join in and be a trash hero. Happy collecting, happy creating.